Hello, and welcome to another Keysight Visibility Tech Tip. In this video, we're going to talk about fan-in and fan-out technologies. Behind me, you'll see what's known as a breakout cable. On one end is an MTP connector, and on the other end are four LC connectors. This particular cable is used to take a connection from a QSFP that is running 40 gig and go to four 10 gig connections. It can also be used to connect from a 100 gig transceiver and go to four 25 gig connections. Pretty much any channel that's running off of an MTP cable, they're typically using SR4 technology or LR4 technology, which uses four channels, which allows us to break out those four channels and treat them as individual channels. So we can do that in our packet brokers today in two different ways. The first is what we call fan-in technology. And what we'll do is we'll take a group of four 10 gig transceivers, these port 1 through 4, that are not used. We'll go to speed configuration and change them from 10 gig to 40 gig. When I hit OK, you'll see a message that says we're going to take these four ports and make them one single 40 gig port, so it's got to be disconnected from whatever it's touching, statistics will be reset, etc. When I finish this configuration, you'll notice that ports 2, 3, and 4 have disappeared from the configuration view, but port 1 became a 40 gig port. What this means is we can take those four connections from that breakout cable, plug them into transceivers 1, 2, 3, and 4, but logically treat those four transceivers as one 40 gig port. On the flip side, we can do what we call fan out. So in the event you run out of 10 gig ports and you need more 10 gig ports and you have 40 gig ports available, you can right click on a 40 gig port, go to speed configuration and change that to 10 gig. The same error message will appear that warns you that this is going to get disconnected, filter statistics will be reset. When I say yes, now I'll see that port 49 has a -1, 2, 3, and 4, and each of these are 10 gig transceivers. I can now treat each of these transceivers as a completely separate port. So our switch allows you to take a single 40 gig port and make it four 10 gig ports. This has been working on a platform, our entry-level E40 platform, which has 6 40 gig ports and 48 10 gig ports. But this also works on any of our platforms that have QSFP ports or QSFP 28 running 100 gig. Hopefully you found this session helpful in configuring fan-in and fan-out on Vision Network Packet Brokers. Thank you.